Take a tour of the new Bliss Crystal store. When you enter our new larger store, you'll see and smell our incense and sage smudge section with over 50 types to choose from. Then you walk this way to find crystal sections such as agate, quartz, and citrine. You'll find wood grids and displays here too. We now have a book section and a zodiac area where you can find our handmade 6-stone sets for your sign. Now come take a look at our salt room where you can enjoy a 20-minute session breathing in nanoparticles of salt for a relaxing and detoxifying experience. We have gorgeous preserved butterflies from a sanctuary in Peru, and here's our divination area with books, tarot, and oracle decks. And across from our selenite section is our long museum bar with special and rare crystal specimens in all of the beautiful rainbow of colors. We have a sound healing area with chimes, metal and crystal singing bowls, and gongs. And our chakra shelves with multicolored tumblestones and specimens. We have many pendulums and boards, and a botanical section with essential oils and sprays. Of course, we have so much crystal jewelry from pendants and earrings to bracelets and rings. And this is our gallery, where we have larger crystal pieces and statues. There's even a couch to relax on. In the back is a dedicated room for our psychic readings, where you can make a booking for tarot, astrology, or animal communication. Here at Bliss, you are sure to find meaningful gifts for yourself and your loved ones. We hope you'll come visit us soon.